Hi everyone! Welcome back to English Chat Corner TV. Today we are following Elena and her dog Charlie as they visit the veterinarian clinic. When our pets get sick, doctors often use difficult medical words. In this video, you will learn simple English phrases to describe symptoms, ask for clarification, and understand doctors' advice with confidence. Let's get started.
Good morning, Charlie. It's breakfast time. Look, your favorite food. Charlie, come on, boy. Are you hungry? Oh dear, you didn't eat your dinner yesterday, and you aren't eating your breakfast today. You usually love eating. You feel warm, and you have no energy. You usually bring me your ball in the morning. I think something is wrong. I need to take you to the veterinary clinic today. Don't worry, Charlie. I will help you.
Lie down, phrasal verb. To move into a flat position on a bed, floor, or ground. Example: Charlie wants to lie down because he feels tired. Turn away, phrasal verb. To move your face or body in another direction. Example: the dog turned away when Elena offered him food. Sniff, verb. To smell something by taking quick breaths through the nose. Example: Charlie sniffed his breakfast bowl once and walked away. Pet, verb. To touch or stroke an animal gently with your hand. Example: she petted her dog on the head to calm him down. Veterinary clinic, noun. A medical place or hospital where sick animals are treated. Example: I am taking my sick dog to the veterinary clinic today.
Good morning. Welcome to Happy Paws Veterinary Clinic. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to see a veterinarian for my dog, please.
Of course. Is this your first time at our clinic?
Yes, it is. We are new here.
Welcome. What is your dog's name?
His name is Charlie.
Okay, Charlie. And what seems to be the problem today?
He is not feeling well. He is very tired, and he does not want to eat.
I see. When did you first notice this problem?
I noticed it yesterday evening. He didn't finish his dinner, and this morning he didn't eat at all.
Has he been drinking any water?
Yes, but only a small amount, much less than usual.
Okay. Has he been vomiting or having diarrhea?
Sorry, could you repeat the first word?
Has he been vomiting? That means throwing up.
Oh no, no vomiting.
That's good. Please take a seat in the waiting area. The doctor will call you shortly.
Thank you.
Throw up, phrasal verb. To be sick. To bring up food from the stomach through the mouth, informal for vomit. Example: the doctor asked if the puppy threw up this morning. Diarrhea, noun. A condition where waste from the body is liquid and watery. Example: make sure your pet drinks water if he has diarrhea.
Hello, is he a Labrador?
Yes, he is. His name is Charlie.
He is very cute. Is he sick today?
Yes, he has no energy today, and he isn't eating. I am a little worried.
I understand. It is always stressful when our pets are sick. My cat, Whiskers, is here for a checkup.
How old is Whiskers?
She is 5 years old. How old is Charlie?
Charlie is 3 years old. He is usually very energetic. He loves running in the park.
Don't worry. The veterinarians here are very kind and gentle. They will help him.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Checkup, noun. A general medical examination to make sure a person or pet is healthy. Example: Whiskers is here at the clinic for her yearly checkup. Energetic, adjective, having or showing a lot of energy and activity. Example, Charlie is usually very energetic and loves to run.
Charlie? Elena?
Yes, that's us.
Follow me, please. You can come into examination room 2.
Good morning, Elena. I'm Dr. Smith. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
And this must be Charlie. Hello, big guy. The receptionist told me Charlie is feeling tired and isn't eating. Is that right?
Yes, doctor. He is very lethargic today.
Ah, good word. Lethargic means he has very low energy.
Yes, exactly. He just wants to sleep.
Did he eat anything unusual in the yard or on a walk?
I don't think so. I always watch him when we walk outside.
Kneel down, phrasal verb. To bend your knees and rest on them on the floor. Example, Dr. Smith knelt down to meet the dog at his eye level. Lethargic, adjective. Lacking energy, feeling unnaturally tired or slow. Example, my dog was lethargic and slept on his bed all afternoon. Yard, noun. An open area of land next to a building or house. Example, keep an eye on your dog while he plays in the yard. All right, let's check Charlie on the examination table. Can you help me lift him up gently?
Sure. Up you go, Charlie.
I am going to listen to his heart and lungs first. His heart rate sounds steady and strong. Now let's look in his mouth.
Are his gums healthy?
His gums are a bit pale, but not too bad. Next, I will check his abdomen.
Excuse me, what does abdomen mean?
Oh, the abdomen is his belly area. I am touching his stomach to see if he feels pain. He flinched a little bit here. Does he react when you touch his stomach at home?
Yesterday, he whined a little when I petted his belly.
Okay, let's take his temperature now to check for a fever. Lift up, phrasal verb. To raise something or someone to a higher position. Example, Elena helped the vet lift up Charlie onto the exam table. Abdomen, noun. The part of the body containing the stomach and intestines, the belly. Example, the doctor pressed on Charlie's abdomen to check for soreness. Pale, adjective. Having little color, lighter than normal. Example, healthy gums are pink, but Charlie's gums looked a bit pale. Flinch, verb. To make a quick, nervous movement away from something due to pain or fear. Example, the dog flinched when the vet touched his painful belly. Fever, noun. A body temperature that is higher than normal. Example, the doctor checked Charlie's temperature to see if he had a fever. Well, Elena, Charlie has a slight fever, and his stomach feels a bit sensitive.
Is it serious, doctor?
I don't think it is severe. It looks like a mild stomach infection or gastroenteritis.
I'm sorry. Could you explain what gastroenteritis means? It is a new word for me.
Of course. It simply means his stomach is upset or inflamed. It is very common in dogs.
Ah, I see. An upset stomach. What should I do to help him?
He needs two things, rest and medicine. I am going to give him an injection now for the fever, and I will prescribe medicine for you to give him at home.
Okay. Will the medicine help him eat again?
Yes. It will reduce the pain in his stomach, so his appetite will come back in a day or two. Diagnosis, noun. The identification of an illness or health problem by a doctor or vet. Example, the veterinarian gave a clear diagnosis of a mild stomach bug. Gastroenteritis, noun. An inflammation or infection of the stomach and intestines. Example, gastroenteritis causes dogs to feel sick to their stomach. Inflamed, adjective. Red, swollen, hot, and often painful because of an infection or injury. Example, his stomach tissue is slightly inflamed today. Appetite, noun. A natural desire or willingness to eat food. Example, Charlie lost his appetite and refused to finish his dog food. Here is his medicine. It is a liquid medicine to calm his stomach.
How often should I give him this medicine?
Give him 5 milliliters twice a day for 5 days.
Twice a day? So once in the morning and once in the evening?
Yes, exactly. Give it with a small amount of food if possible.
What should I do if he refuses to take it?
You can use this small syringe to put the liquid directly into his mouth, slowly on the side.
Okay, let me repeat to make sure I understand. 5 milliliters, twice a day for 5 days, morning and night.
Perfect. That is correct.
Should I give him his regular dog food today?
No. For today and tomorrow, give him a bland diet.
What is a bland diet?
Simple food that is easy on the stomach, like boiled chicken and white rice. No spices or oil.
Boiled chicken and white rice. Got it. That is easy to make.
Dosage. Noun. The exact amount of medicine that should be taken at one time. Example. Make sure to check the dosage carefully before giving liquid medicine. Syringe. A small plastic tube used to measure and give liquid medication into the mouth. Example. Use a small syringe to give the liquid medicine directly into his mouth. Bland diet. Simple food that is soft, low in fat, and easy to digest, e.g. plain boiled chicken and rice. Example. The vet recommended a bland diet for 2 days to soothe his stomach. Easy on something. Idiom. Gentle and unlikely to cause discomfort or pain to a body part. Example. Plain white rice is easy on a dog's upset stomach.
How was Charlie's visit with Dr. Smith?
It was very good. He has a mild stomach upset, but he will be okay.
That is great news. Here is your bill for today's visit and the medication.
Thank you. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card here. Here is your receipt and the written instructions from Dr. Smith about the bland diet and medicine.
Thank you for all your help today. Everyone was very kind.
You're welcome. I hope he feels better soon.
Thank you. Come on, Charlie. Let's go home and make some chicken and rice for you.
1. Why did Elena decide to take Charlie to the veterinary clinic? A. He needed his annual vaccination. B. He was running around the house too much. C. He refused to eat his food and had very low energy. D. He injured his leg while playing in the park. 2. What question did Elena ask when she didn't understand a medical term at the reception desk? A. What does that mean? B. Could you repeat the first word? C. Can you speak more slowly, please? D. Is that a bad word? What does the word lethargic mean when describing Charlie? A. Very aggressive and noisy. B. Hungry and looking for food. C. Extremely happy and energetic. D. Feeling unnaturally tired with very low energy. 4. What diagnosis did Dr. Smith give Charlie after examining his stomach? A. A broken rib. B. Gastroenteritis, a mild stomach upset. C. An ear infection. D. Severe food poisoning. 5. How often should Elena give Charlie his liquid medicine, and what kind of diet should he follow? A. Once a day for 10 days, normal dog food. B. 3 times a day for 3 days, only water. C. Twice a day for 5 days, a bland diet, boiled chicken and white rice. D. Every 4 hours, dog treats and milk. Did you enjoy today's video? If you have a pet at home, leave a comment below and tell us their name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you in the next lesson.